In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add callout extensions in Google Ads. Callout extensions are short snippets of text that appear with your ads to highlight key benefits, features, or offers. Think of them as quick value points like free shipping, 24/7 support, or price match guarantee. They don't link anywhere, but they help your ads stand out, communicate value faster, and can improve your click-through rate. Keep in mind, callouts don't show every time. Google decides when to show them based on your ad rank, relevance, events, and available space. Let's get started. First, open your Google Ads account and sign in. Once you're in, head to the campaigns area so you're working within the right advertising context. This keeps everything organized and ensures the callouts you add are available where you need them. Next, go to the Assets section. Assets are where you manage add-ons to your ads, and callouts live here. Look for the callout option and open it. Then, click the plus icon to add a new callout extension. This is where the actual text gets created. Start adding your callout text, one per field. Keep each callout short, specific, and focused on benefits, not slogans. Aim for clear phrases that can stand alone and still make sense, like fast delivery, hassle-free returns, or no setup fees. Avoid repeating the same wording you already use in your headlines or descriptions. Variety gives Google more options to choose from. You can add as many callouts as you want, and you should provide several so Google has a pool to rotate from. Not all of them will show at once, and sometimes none will show, which is normal. The system will pick the best combination based on performance and space. A few quick tips while you type. Keep them concise, avoid excessive punctuation or all caps, and make sure each callout communicates a real benefit. It's better to use everyday language your customers understand than internal jargon. If you serve multiple types of customers, include callouts that speak to each group, like volume discounts for businesses and free returns for consumers. Once you're happy with your list, click Save. After you save, your callouts become eligible to appear with your ads. You don't need to do anything else. The system will handle when and how they're shown. If you ever need to refine your messaging, you can come back to Assets and edit or add more callouts at any time to keep improving results.